know that feeling, that nagging worry at the back of your mind, wondering if you've saved enough for retirement? Maybe you're lying awake in bed at night, doing the math in your head, wondering if Social Security is really going to be enough, or if you should just, work forever. If we haven't met yet, I'm Deb and I'm 55. I've spent 3 years trying to make money online. When I found what I'm about to share with you, it was like a breath of fresh air. Here's what I want you to know. It's not too late, and yes, you absolutely can make money online. Even if you think you're not tech savvy enough, even if you've never done anything like this before, I'm going to break down the entire system in this video, step by step. No fluff, just what actually works. Okay, first things first. We need to talk about what digital marketing actually is. Digital marketing is just connecting people with things they're already looking for. That's it. Think about it this way. Right now, someone out there is Googling how to lose weight after 50. Someone else is searching how to save for retirement. Another person is searching how to start a side hustle. They are actively looking for a solution. And digital marketing, it's just showing up and saying, hey, I might have something that can help you. You're not tricking anyone. You're not being pushy. You're just being helpful at the right time, at the right place. Whether it's through a Facebook post or a YouTube video like this one, or even an email, you're connecting the right person with the right solution. Now I can hear what you're thinking. I'm not tech savvy enough. I can barely figure out Facebook half the time. I get it. That was me too. I had to learn everything from scratch. And yes, there were moments when I was frustrated, but here's what made the difference. The program I follow breaks everything down into bite-sized pieces. Simple steps, one thing at a time. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be willing to learn and give yourself a little bit of grace along the way. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, but where do I even start? I've got something for you. It's a free guide called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it's the exact roadmap I used when I started out. It shows you step by step how to build an online income. No guessing, no overwhelm. Just click the link in the description below. It's totally free. All right, so now you understand what digital marketing actually is. The next big question is, what are you going to sell? And this is where most people get stuck. Or worse, they choose the wrong thing and waste a lot of time and money. I've done that too. Here's the deal. There are millions of ways to make money online. You could do affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and get a tiny commission. You could start an e-commerce store dealing with inventory and shipping and returns. You could become a freelancer, trading your time for money all over again. You could create your own course from scratch, which sounds like a great idea until you realize how much work it actually takes. But here's what I discovered. It's called Master Resell Rights, and it's a game changer. Here's how it works. You get access to a complete educational program. It's already created, already proven. It teaches valuable skills that people actually want to learn. And here's the best part. You have the legal right to sell that program over and over again and keep 100% of the profits. Not 5%, not 50%, 100% of the profits. Let me say that again, because it's quite a big deal. You keep every dollar you make. After all the other things I tried online, making 100% profit was mind-blowing to me. Now, why is this perfect for someone in their 50s or 60s? Because you're not starting from zero. You don't have to write a course. You don't have to film training videos. You don't have to build a website from scratch. It's all done for you. You get the product, the sales pages, the email sequences, even the website is done for you. Your job is to learn the system and then share it with other people who want to learn the same thing. And because it's teaching people how to make money online, something millions of people are searching for every day, the demand is already there. When I first heard about this, it sounded too good to be true. But then I realized businesses do this all the time. Look at franchises. You buy into a proven system, you follow the playbook, you make money. The difference here? No expensive franchise fee, no inventory sitting in your garage, no employees, just you. Learning skills that benefit you first and then teaching those skills to other people. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, the next part. This is where it gets really exciting because this is the part that lets you work just a couple of hours a day instead of being glued to your computer 24/7. And it's called an automation system. And honestly, this is what separates a hobby from a real business. Here's what it is. It's a series of web pages and emails that work together. They educate people, they answer questions, they build trust, and they guide people towards making a purchase, all without you having to be there. Let me paint a picture for you. Someone finds you online. Maybe they see one of your videos or a post you made. They're interested, so they click the link and enter their email. Instantly, they send a video that explains what you offer. Then over the next few days and weeks, they get automated emails, helpful information, answering their questions, building the relationship. And your sales page, it's sitting there 24/7, available whenever they're ready to buy. You're sleeping, walking the dog, having a coffee with a friend, and your business is still working. That's automation. And here's the powerful part. You set it up once and it works forever. The program I use gave me all the templates, all the tools already created. I just had to connect them together, follow their step-by-step instructions. Now, the tech stuff can feel overwhelming at first. I had to watch some of the training videos 2 or 3 times. I had to ask for help in the community. The program has live weekly tech calls, real people who can help you. And once I got through that initial setup, smooth sailing. Plus, learning how to do this taught me so much about how online business actually works. All right, so here's the thing. Your automated system is amazing, but it's worthless if nobody sees it. So the next step is learning how to get people to your offer. And the best part, you can do this completely free. Now, when I say traffic, I mean people. People visiting your website, people seeing your content, and you can attract them naturally without spending any money on ads. It's called organic traffic. And here's what it looks like. You post valuable content on social media, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever your people are hanging out. You post free classified ads on sites where people are actively looking for solutions. You show up consistently, talking about the problems your ideal customer is facing, offering help. Now, this takes time, and some platforms work faster than others. You're building something real, relationships and trust. When people find you organically, when they see you showing up consistently, providing value, they're way more likely to buy from you. Plus, organic traffic compounds over time. A video you post today could bring you customers 6 months from now. But here's the strategy most people miss. You don't need to be everywhere. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need to pick 1 or 2 platforms, the ones where your ideal customer is spending their time, and show up there consistently. Quality over quantity. For me, I focus on YouTube because that's where people my age are comfortable. That's where they're searching for solutions. Find which platform works for you and master it before you try to do everything at once. Okay, final piece. This is what separates the people who succeed from the people who give up. And it has nothing to do with tech skills or marketing knowledge. It's about 2 things: consistency and being coachable. Let me explain. Consistency means showing up, even when you don't feel like it, even when you're not seeing results yet, even when it feels hard. It means committing to your business every single day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Success isn't about one big effort. It's about small actions done over and over again. And being coachable, that means being willing to follow the proven system instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. It means watching the training, implementing what you learn, asking for help when you need it, and trusting the process, even when your brain wants to doubt it. Here's what I want you to understand. You have life experience. You understand people's struggles. You have wisdom that younger people don't. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom and retirement is the decision to start and the commitment to stick with it long enough to see results. So that's it. That's the complete step-by-step guide for making money online for retirement. Learn digital marketing skills, choose the right business model, set up your automated system, drive free traffic, and stay consistent. These are the exact steps I follow, and they work. I've got something special for you. I've got a free class that walks you through all of this. It shows you how all the pieces fit together in a real business. Just type the word class in the comments below or click the link in the description, and I'll send you the exact webinar I watched when I got started. You can see everything and make the best decision for yourself. Okay, now I want to hear from you. What's the one thing holding you back from getting started? Is it fear of technology, not knowing what to sell, or something completely different? Drop me a comment. Let's talk about it, because I promise you, whatever is holding you back, we can work through it. And if you're ready to stop worrying about retirement, watch this next video. I'm showing you exactly what to start doing today to change your financial future and stop worrying about retirement. I share free training like this every single week for people in their 50s who are building real income online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.